Hey guys, it's me Azil back on Sanitary, and today I'm going to be shooting a simple little tutorial on how to make an easy paper mask out of actual sanitary mask. So I'd recommend you guys use a black one for this one because we're going to be making a Halloween themed skull kind of animal skull kind of mask. So yeah, let's start with this guy and another A4 paper. So what we're going to do first is just cut out a little bit. Actually, do we even need to cut things out? We probably do need to cut a little bit. Alright, so fold the mask in half. So we're going to reuse this mask to make a Halloween costume. And just ever so slightly trim off the ends right there. Let's use a different scissor. It's not working. I thought I could cut it easily. Alright, so let me just quickly cut it out. Alright, so I cut out these metal rods a little bit as well. And there you go. Actually, just a bit over this side. We could have probably used this metal thing for action figures, but who cares at this point? So it's too hard to cut using normal scissors. Anyways, there it is. So I cut out that area right there. Now let's move on to a skull design. So first off, let's see how big our mask is compared to the paper, and mark off the corners. So we gotta fit our design inside this, right? So let's just take that part. So we don't need this anymore. Now what we'll do is fold this in half like that, and we are going to draw sort of like a, let's take from this side, so it's like a wolf, I don't know, a wolf or a fox skull, more like a snout skull, not the entire skull. Actually, something like this, right? The bottom part. So I could use that as a reference. And then we've got our nose right about there. And there's one, that's one part. Give it some juice as well. So there's the upper jaw. Now in a similar fashion, we're going to make a lower jaw. Now the teeth on the lower jaw need not be too big. Just like that. And let's cut this thing out and add some designs. Alright, so I have the skeletal thing pretty much ready, so let's add some designs before moving on to next step. So I believe something like this would make sense. Like that. Might as well add some shading. Sort of like that. I don't know what that is exactly, but I'm just copying it. Looks like a weird bone structure. So that's the upper jaw. I need to fix some parts. I'll do that later on. Now the lower jaw. This shouldn't be too hard. It's just the same thing as the upper, but with lesser attention to detail. Because no one's gonna notice the lower jaw design that much. Alright, so looks about alright. Now let's try and make it more 3D. For the lower jaw, you just fold these teeth inwards like that. Fold all of them inside, just like that, and then at the bottom fold it like this. Actually a bit larger would be okay, something like that. And then for the other one as well, Hold it like that. Now this step is optional. This one I'm just doing to make it look cooler, like randomly adding folds here and there. You can do that according to your preference. So there's the lower jaw. Now let's move on to the upper. So just like for the lower, push the teeth inwards. And at the top, you just want to, okay, let's do this. So for the top part, I want you to cut out a triangular piece like this, and then join it from the inside. Like that. Add some random folds here and there, just like that. And there you go. It looks pretty thick to me. I would like to add some folds around this area where the chin is, I mean the cheekbone, right over there. And over and over there. Over here. Perfect. So that, I think we can attach it onto the main mask. Let's start with the upper. Ooh, looks good. You can use tape, glue, anything you'd like, but to save time I think I'll go with some staplers. And stapler does not only save time, it's also much more strong. Just make sure the spiky bit goes outwards so you don't hurt yourself. Okay, there's the upper jaw. Now I'll add the lower jaw as well. Okay, so I tried wearing it on and it fits perfectly. I like it. That's how it looks from the inside, pretty comfortable. So this one's a quick Halloween mask, which will save a lot of time. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next videos, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.